you're a travel agent and you need to make some money within your travel business. You're booking travel, but it's not consistent. So what are some ways that you can make some money? I'm gonna give you 3 ways that you can start implementing like tonight and be ready tomorrow within your travel business. Number 1, it's very controversial, but I'm all for it. Travel inquiry fee. Yes, it doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to break the bank, but we are doing a job, we are doing a service, and first-time guests should pay for your time. They should pay for your expertise. Even if you're a new travel agent, collecting a travel research fee, or as I call it, a travel inquiry fee, because they're only inquiring, I think you should be paid for that because you are taking your time to research. You're looking at professional websites, you're looking in your back office, you are scheduling time out of your day for this customer, and on a daily basis, I receive inquiries from my social media postings. So me implementing a travel research fee for them, me doing research for them, me gathering information for them, and then in turn, I can be compensated through commission once they make the booking. But again, there's no guarantee that they're gonna book, despite how great of an agent you are. That is the goal, but that's not always the case. Sometimes people just wanna inquire, and your time is valuable. So charge an inquiry fee, and you can generate some additional income every day or every week within your travel agency business. The second way that you can generate income within your travel agency business is itineraries. We are already on the phone with hotels, resorts, local restaurants, airport shuttles, taxi services, and so on and so forth. So you already have an idea based on the locations that you're researching, the things that you can put together in an itinerary. There's so many examples on YouTube, on Google. Just kind of zone in on the type of itineraries you want to create and that you want to have for sale. The third additional way that you can add some extra income within your travel agency business is going to be affiliate links. We are already connected with hundreds of companies in our back office as travel advisors and travel agents with our licensing information. We have access to so many things, so it is a no-brainer that we should have affiliate links. So I do a lot of bookings and I get a lot of inquiries for the Caribbean. So I always make sure I'm looking throughout the different partnerships with who have day parties and boat parties and yacht parties and nightclub this and horseback riding that. I'm always looking for excursions. So having those affiliate links in place, that is making money while you're sleeping. Again, that is something that is hands off. You do your research, you drop your links, you set it and forget it, and people are clicking and booking. It's great. So 1 is going to be the travel inquiry fee. I know that that's controversial, but I really do think people are leaving some income on the table within their travel agency business by not implementing that. And make sure if you do that it is non-refundable, it is listed somewhere so that the customer knows. Number 2 is going to be your itineraries. You can personalize them. They don't have to be customizable if you don't want. You can simply make a digital download PDF of them, and then they purchase it and they automatically get it to their email to download, and you're making money again within your travel agency so that your customers have something that they can buy without even booking travel with you. And then the third way is going to be those affiliate links. I am all for a good excursion, so I love to have affiliate links for excursions. Again, if they are not ready to book the travel, but they are going in the near future and they see that excursion in there, they're more than likely going to book that, and you're going to get your commission. The sounds of the Dominican Republic. You hear the cars and the honking and the... I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I do plan on creating some travel agent content in the future. There will be a playlist for this. So if this is something you're interested, please go ahead and subscribe so that you can catch those videos coming up in the future. I do live in the Dominican Republic. I have been here for 4 years now. I left the United States and live abroad. So I vlog my day-to-day life here as a Black American woman living abroad. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and subscribe as well and hit the notification bell. And I will catch you in another video.
And attention, but I keep